Hi, everyone. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This year, I'm really trying to give you ideas of what to pitch. So, right now, we're at the end of February. You want to pitch regional stories for April, like regional publications. What's going on in April? You've got springtime, real estate agents. What's the spring market like? You've got taxes, tax time. Think about things like that. MLB opening day, the Masters, NCAA championship, NFL draft. Anything you can tie your business to in April. And then in June, you're looking, this is 4 months out for you. That's when you would pitch national publications. What's going on in June? Father's Day, graduations. It's the start of summer vacation if you're a travel agent. And especially this year, what's going to happen in summer? Is COVID, what's COVID doing? So really you want to look at 2 months out for regional and 4 months out for national and build your pitches around that. And if you like these ideas, we have an amazing no-cost blueprint that you can get that will help you with messaging and pitching the media and really tying it all together. And you can go to Captivate and Cash In Live /blueprint and download it and share your success with me. I'd love to share that with people. So get going on your pitches and I'll see you in the media.